Hello all, welcome to Mintech Services. In our last session, we will learn the customers type into a model-driven application, Power Apps, and Dynamics 365 CRM like account and contact. Now today we are starting to learn what is model-driven application and how to create a first model-driven application. So model-driven applications are type of application in Microsoft Power Platform which are used to create data-centric applications where focus is on data instead of UI. UI in model driven application, UI is automatically generated, means you no need to create any UI. There is a out of the box some functionality like adding the tabs, sections and columns, each and everything. So model driven application is totally based on top of Dataverse database. Okay, so model driven applications are responsive in nature, means if you build any application in model driven application, it means it will be easily open in any devices like browsers, mobile phone and tablets. So third one is next point is we can create a powerful fully functional apps without writing a code using model driven application. In a model driven application you no need to write any logic, any code for creating record, update, delete, assign, share, save, save, update, each and everything. It's a already implemented inside a model driven application. Model driven apps are component rich. They have components like tables, forms, views, relationship, business rule, keys, etc, etc. So in model driven application there are three navigational element. If you are going to create a model driven application, then you need to consider three things. First one is a area, second one is a group, and third one is a sub area. Now let's see, after these three navigational elements, area, group and sub area, we will discuss on the sitemap of model driven application. Sitemap in a model driven app defines the navigation of the app by organizing area, groups and sub area, so users can easily access table, dashboard and other pages based on their roles and needs. So now first we will discuss about this area. Area is a first and top level navigational element in a model driven app by which we can navigate in our app. There can be a multiple areas in one app. To create area you need to first enable it. We will see in to enable area, go to pages and on left navigation bar inside our application. Now second part is a group is a container which is nested inside area. On area can have a multiple group. In the last point is a sub area provide navigation to components like dashboard, tables, form, ect, etc. Now come back and see how to create a model driven application step by step. First, log into mac.powerapps.com, select your environment. Now go to solution and select your targeted solution. Once you open your solution, now go to your app, click on this app. Now go to your new. If you click on this new button, there is a one option is app. Once you click on this option, there is a two app. One is a canvas, second one is a model driven application, third one is a page. Now you need to, we are going to create a model driven app, so click on this model driven application options. Once you click on it, then it will asking for a model driven application name. Now I am giving the model driven application is Mintech Sales App. Okay, so now I am adding this description. This app is used for Mintech products sales. That is in advance fine. Just click on this create button. Once you click on this create button, so now your first model driven application name Mintech Sales App is going to be created. Once your model driven application is created, now as we discuss, you need to work on these three areas, three part. First one area, second one is group, third one is sub area. Now let's see it. This is your first model driven application. Now I am going to add a area. To adding enable this area, you need to click on the settings, click on this navigation button, and now here is a one option enable area. Once you click on this enable area, now close this pop-up window. Now click on this here area. Once you click on this area, here is a area 1. Now okay, now area 1, I am renaming this area 1 to. Click on this edit property. From the right side you will be see one property window. title area 1, instead of the title I am adding this as a Mintech sales. Now this is the ID. You can change this ID as well. Now I am changing this ID to Mintech sales. Now located. Now one your area got created. Now I am creating a new as well, means new area. Now okay, no sorry, click on it here, close this window, click on it here. Now new area. So I am going to create a two areas. Now Mintech service. So now I am changing this ID as well. Now giving the name as Mintech service. Okay. Now just so advanced options. Now it's completed. So we are created a two area. One is a Mintech sales, another one is Mintech service. Now next one is a group. See, here is the group, new group. So I'm clicking on this new group, left it and set the group name. First is a customers. Now I'm changing this ID as customers. So what is group? Inside this group you can add a your tables or pages. Now I want to add a new group as well. Now second one is a new group. Now click on this navigation, three dot, click on this new group. Now I am adding this Mintech. Mintech. Now only this Mintech apps. That's it. Now changing this ID to Mintech app. So see, we are adding a two area, Mintech sales, now Mintech service, and I created a two groups, customers and Mintech app. These are the group. Now inside this group we need to add a third point is a sub area. Sub area means inside this one you need to add a new page. Once you click on this new page, it's asking for a table. Now I'm clicking on this new page. It's asking for this dataverse table or describe a page. So I'm going to add a dataverse table. So add this, I name it as a customer. So I'm going to add a customers to table. First one is account and second one is a contact. See this contact table. Now add. Once I added, see here is a group name is customer. Inside this customer, I added this two table, accounts and contact. Now inside the Mintech group, I need to add a one new page, means I'm going to add a new database table. Click on database table or select your table. My table name is Mintech product. This is a custom table which we already created. Now click on this add. So now see, here is the area or here is a customer is our first group and Mintech app is your second group. Now you need to click on just save button. Once you click on this save button, so now your app is ready, or once after this save button there is a one option as a publish. Save and publish. Now I click on the save and publish, so your application will be save and publish. Let it be just publish. When it's published, so right hand side you will be see a play button. So I am going to click on this play button. Once you click on this play button, so your model driven application is opening. So here is app ID, means your model driven application. This is a application ID. Now see, your first model driven applications got created. So here your model driven application name is Mintech sales app. Now here is your customers group and here is Mintech app group. Inside this customers group we added a two tables, accounts and contact. Or now inside a Mintech app group we added a Mintech products table. So now if you click, now come back to here, if you click on this three dot button inside this app, there is a one option switch to classic. What does it mean? Switch to classic. If you click on the switch to classic, means it's who the UI will be totally changed. It's moving to a from this window, this Power Apps window to old classic window. So let's see how old classic window is look like. So old classic window is look like, here is a sitemap, here is a dashboard, or here is your table. If you want to add one more table, so just click on here this entities. Once you click on entity, now select the table, which table you want to add inside your entity view. If you talk about the sitemap, if you click on this edit button inside the sitemap, so then it will asking for the same thing, means areas, group and sub area. From this classic view also you can create or modified your model driven application. So see, here is the area or here is your group, Mintech sales and Mintech services. So in the Mintech sales we added a one product, this Mintech product. In Mintech sales, see, we added a, sorry, in Mintech services we added this customers group and Mintech app group. Inside this customers group we added account and contact table, or Mintech app, we Mintech app group we added a Mintech product. So this is a classic window, so from both sides you can easily work, but maybe in future it will be deprecated, so you need to work on this power apps side only. So now I click on the 7 close, validate, 7 close, that's it. So now, so we just learn how to create what is a model driven application, how to create your first model driven application, and how to play a model driven application. So now I will just explore the components of table. See, here is your table, suppose account is a table. So here is a view. If you go to any tables component, it here it will be display all the views. So in the views you can display the data. So in our next session we will be learn what is the views. If you click a new button, so see, if you want to create a new account, you just click on this new button. If you click on the new button, see, here is all the information, all the, so it's opening a one form. I am adding this here. One form is a Mintech services, one company. So this is a account table. So we are adding a organizations entity. So now I am adding here this Mintech. So see, you not created this form, you not created this column, you not created this tab. All this is a out of the box functionality which is created by the Microsoft. Now you need to add this your address type, bill to, ship to, others, address name, or here is your form name, information is a your form name, this is your account is an entity name, or here it will display all your forms, or this is general details, contact notes and activities. These are called as a tabs. These are called as a tabs. Okay, now inside this, below this tab you will find a section. Once first section, address is a another section, description is another section. Inside this section you can add a columns, like here this account name, primary contact, account number, main phone, other phone, fax, website. These are the column. So remember the sequence. One is a table. After this table it's opening a form. Inside the form you adding a tabs, general tab, details tab, notes, activities, references. Inside this tab the sections will be added. Inside these sections the columns it added. So this is your form. Means if you click on the save button, so your record got created Mintech services. See how its record got saved? Means inside the, you not write any code for saving this record, for deleting a record, like I am deleting TCS1. Now I click on the delete button, so it will be delete your record. It means you not write any functionality, create button, delete button. If you select this, activate and deactivate, edit, merge, assign, change, all these options will be available in a model driven applications automatically. So you need to just design your UI in model driven application, create your areas and groups, and inside this group you need to add your tables or page. If you click on this Mintech product, now see, we created a one custom table Mintech product. Okay, inside this Mintech product there is a no any record. If I open a Mintech product form, see here I opening a Mintech product form, I want to create a new record inside my Mintech product table. If I create the Mintech product table, see here is the only one Mintech product name. Where is my others column? Mintech product price, product quantity, product issue date. Where all those column? Because we just created a column but not added inside a form. So this is the form. Inside this form we need to modify this form, create some tab sections, add those columns. If I added a product, suppose CNC machine, now save. So now your record got created. If you click on the 7 kilos, you will be going back to your view. This is a view. This is a Mintech product table. This is a view. This is a one record which is got. I just created it. So this record got created inside your Dataverse is a cloud-based database. So in our next session, we will be learn what are the form, how to design a form inside this model driven application. The here is only displaying a just simple form. So hope you will be understand what is model driven application, how to create a model driven application, what are the areas, what are the groups, and what are the sub areas, means adding a page. So hope you will understand. For your reference, I will be add all this note, all this step in this video description. If you any doubt or question, just to comment out this below video. I will be get clarity. So okay, so thanks for watching this video. We will meet in our next session.